Okay guys, so it's going on probably like 3 something, 3:50. My car's running, so I'm trying to hurry up and go. So pretty much I'm just gonna grab a handful of greens or kale out of here, and I'm gonna rinse it right here at the sink. I kind of want a little bit more kale than this. Actually, this is a nice amount of kale. So the kale's in there. Let me put some blueberries in here. I don't actually like blueberries in the smoothie. I had so happened to have gotten blueberries this time, and I don't like it. The mixed berries really flushed my system out, but since I bought it, I'm gonna use it. Put my blueberries in there. I ain't gonna go too crazy. Small little handful of that. Put some oatmeal in there for texture, for fiber, for other stuff. Come on, you're not gonna focus on me, you're gonna focus on the smoothie. Cool, cool, I like that. Okay, put a little. Put some oatmeal in there. Get my oatmeal in. Putting my protein in there. I'm using the Women's Best. I'm almost done and I'm almost out of this. So once I'm done with it, I'll buy some more. But I'm not buying. Don't buy a bunch of protein in bulk, because half the time you're not going to use it until you get serious and get done with the first thing of protein. I wouldn't suggest to buy like big bundles of protein and pre-workout, because you don't use that like before the expiration. That stuff be expiring quick sometimes. So I got a cap full of this. Put that in there. What else? Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a little flaxseed in here. I always put flaxseed in it. Okay, just a few pinches of that. What else? Peanut butter. Peanut butter is so good for taste for me. With my smoothies, I have not been using sugar. I used to have to always put sugar in my smoothies because I wanted it to be sugary, like. But I have to say, like, I haven't bought sugar since I ran out of it, and that's been a few months. Yeah, it's been since probably Thanksgiving when I made my pound cake, my caramel cake. So I use different things that have like, instead of using spinach, I started using kale, and kale is sweeter than spinach, and it's like a better taste for me. It's less greeny. You don't really feel it. It's not like, I don't know how to explain it, but kale tastes better to me in a smoothie than spinach. And then I use a bunch of peanut butter, and I use honey too sometimes. Like today I'm gonna use honey just because I want it to be really sweet. Well, it's not really sweet because it's never really sweet, but you know, natural sweeteners. So I'm gonna use some honey, and this I only have for like 2 weeks. I use a lot of honey, and it's not even my natural honey. This is just some like dollar honey that I got when I went grocery shopping last week. Oh my god, last week I went grocery shopping, so I've only had this for a week, and I ran out of honey, so I'm gonna have to get the big thing of honey. Where's my top? Boy, it's something I can't explain. What is that I taste? I'm gonna add some more greens and some more blueberries. I'll be back because I gotta really go. You baby. I'm really kind of mad at myself. I get all the way to the gym and I don't have my gym card to get inside. Like, I have a 24-hour like gym card that you have to scan it to let the door unlock, and I don't have that with me. It's about to be 3:30, and 4 o'clock all the people are going to be at the gym. Literally 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock is packed. Literally, it's packed as hell in this gym. It's you waiting to get on machines. I don't like it. And I don't like discovering new stuff in front of people. Like, I like walking around the gym, you know, trying different things without feeling like I look stupid as hell. So I'm just pissed off that I don't. And it was in my little pouch. I brought my pouch, and I know I put it in here because I'm like, don't lose this. And then I get here, and I'm gonna see if this person lets me in with them.
Is it 7 o'clock? You got me looking at my watch every minute. Because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. Make a move. I'm waiting on you. 7 o'clock in the morning. All I want you to do is get on top of me. For me, baby, I'm all up on you. All up on you. I've been thinking a lot, yeah. I've been thinking about one thing mostly, want you to come on over even if I'm asleep. Wake me up in my dreams. When you find me, you find sleep while I'm dreaming, and you come behind me, revive me while I am wanna play. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a minute, do it how you want it. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a minute, do it how you want it.
I'm tired already. I'm tired.
Please, if you feel me, put your hands. Is it 7 o'clock? Is it 7 o'clock? Yeah. I want you now. Yeah. I need you now. I want you now. I need you now. I need 7 o'clock in the morning. All I want you to do is get on top of me, for me, baby, 'cause I'm all up on you. All up on you. All up on you. All up on you.
But I'm still being me. I say, Mama, I'm so sorry. I got iceberg where my heart is. On the road, where I had it harder. I'm chosen, I'm so heartless. So heartless. I ain't know my age. He was 16, they killed it dead.
Hey guys, so the last time you guys saw me, I was actually leaving the gym. I had worked out for at least like an hour and 30. I was at the gym for at least an hour and 32 hours. Then I came home and pretty much cleaned my entire house off camera because I really just had some stuff to deal with. Like, I was in my feelings and I was just really going through a lot, and for some reason I had a spark of energy to clean my entire house, wash all my dishes, clean my bathroom, and just organize some stuff. So I did that off camera. And now today, right now it's about after 9. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? What time is it? Oh wow, I thought it was after 9. It's 11:30 at night. Yikes. It's 11:30. Wow. I definitely said I wanted to be in my bed at 10 to try to get a little sleep before I wake up in the morning at 3. So right now it's 11:30. Time has been flying by. I've been in the kitchen cooking some stuff up, you know, chefing some stuff up. I've been actually cooking some good stuff lately. Even people who've tried my food have like really been giving me like some good compliments, like, girl, you can cook. I made some baked macaroni. Everybody seems to love my baked macaroni. Okay, it was hyping me up. So right now I'm making some tacos. So these are Carne Asada tacos. If you're from St. Louis and you've ever eaten at Mission Taco, I love the Carne Asada tacos, and I don't think it's too fattening or too unhealthy. It's corn tortillas, it's meat, it's the baby arguila, and then it's some guacamole. So that's gonna be my meal prep for lunch. I just wanted to switch it up. I'm not counting calories yet. I just wanted to switch it up and do something fun that I like to eat. And for dinner, I'm making chicken breast and baked potatoes and something else. I don't know if it's gonna be rice. I don't know if it's gonna be another vegetable, so I'll keep you guys posted. Ooh, my eyes are starting to burn. My eyes are starting to burn. Burn, baby. They're actually burning. That onion. So I just wanted to like say, with my potatoes, like I'm about to put them in the oven on like the top rack. But today I'm gonna be trying like coconut oil. I've been using virgin olive oil, but today I'm gonna use coconut oil, unrefined virgin oil. It says cold compressed, so I'm gonna use that to, like, you know, use that as an oil. And then for my seasonings, for my onions and like the potatoes, I'm gonna try something different, you know, spice it up. I'm gonna try rosemary and Cajun seasoning. I like the rosemary seasoning because one time I made some bean soup, and it was bean salad, and it was just good. The rosemary was hitting, and that's not something I use on a daily basis. So we're gonna try that today, and I'm gonna come back at y'all when we got stuff going. So when it comes to actually meal prepping this go around, since I'm not like working and on the go every day, I really don't want to meal prep for 7 days. I want to just meal prep for like 4 days. Of course I'll have a container full of the recipe, but I don't want to make 7 dishes of meal prep. I want to kind of make 4 days, store the rest, and after like 3 days I'll, you know, recontain everything, put them in a container. But I don't know, I just don't have the, I don't want to. Today I'm using the dishes that I'm using, and I just don't feel like doing all that. So my meal prep today is going to be a little tad bit different, and I do think that the majority of everything is healthy, so y'all let me know. So right now as I'm cooking, I really just found a new YouTuber. I love finding new YouTubers because I get sick of waiting for my favorites to drop a video. Like I be like scrolling and scrolling on YouTube. It either be political videos I'm watching from The View, or like I don't even want to watch no gossip channels no more, like, because you can't just be watching it all day and it's just negative. So if Des P not uploading, if Raven, I'm kind of growing out of Raven Elise recently. I still love the girl, but I'm kind of growing out of her content. So it's Des P, it's Kyla Shay, and a few other people that I'm watching. So if they're not uploading, I'm not watching YouTube. Nonetheless, this is a new YouTuber I've started watching. She is a white girl. I don't really have too many white girls that I watch, so I just like her videos. They're healthy lifestyle type videos, and they're just uplifting, and there's nothing negative in the video. Like, I like uplifting content. I love to go to YouTube to be uplifted. So here's her channel. Definitely check her out. Here's her channel right there. That's her beautiful little girl. Not little girl, I'm calling everybody little girl. Come on. This is her channel, Summer Shiki, and I just subscribed to her. Unfortunately my mood just really changed, so I'm gonna try to keep it together in this vlog, but I'm just so sad. People keep passing away today. Pop Smoke passed away. He was gunned down in a home invasion, I guess. Somebody trying to rob him or something of that sort. That's sad. His music blew up that song he did blew up, and I was just really looking forward to his musical journey. He had that unique deep voice. I loved it. That's just sad that somebody was taken away. I think they said he was only 20. Not just that, it's just people are continuously dying. I don't like it. 2020, what's up? Like, I don't get what's going on. My battle buddy in my unit passed away. She was an officer, and y'all just keep her family in your prayers. That was unforeseen. I literally just prayed for her this morning since I found out that she had some health things going on. I prayed for her, and I just prayed that God, you know, be with her. This is all so sudden and so strange. Jesus, man, I don't know what's going on. Like, I can't understand. It really got my head hurting, and I want to cry because I know that pain. I actually had a mental breakdown this morning. It's not funny. I don't know why I'm smiling, but I had a mental breakdown this morning leaving the gym. I was just so distraught and sad. Grieving, I don't know if it'll ever end. At least for me, it's like it comes in like waves. One day I might be good. Next week, the entire week, I'm crying and I'm in shambles. So it's really good that I'm not at work during this, because my heart is with everybody that's going through a loss, everybody that's just living life without a loved one, and something you just never imagined that you'll do. My heart goes out to you. I'm praying for you. If you ever so happen to come by this video and you're watching this, comment down below, message me on Instagram. I will message you back. I will talk to you any time of day. I will try my best to be there for you. Even though I don't know you, I will try my best, because I wish somebody do that for me. Oh, Jesus. I wish somebody would do that for me. I wish somebody would pick up the phone and say, Sierra, how are you doing? But you know what? I'm gonna be that person that I wish others are to me. So, y'all, I'm so sad, but I don't know if I'm gonna continue vlogging this video, because my whole mood has really just turned for the worse in this video. I'll talk to y'all later.